ChatGPT just partnered with Etsy so shoppers can buy products directly from inside the chat. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make your Etsy listings not only discoverable inside ChatGPT, but also future-proof across other upcoming AI agents and tools, and some bonus tips. E-commerce is evolving into AI agent-based commerce. At the center of this shift is something called the Agentic Commerce Protocol. It's an open standard that tells AI agents how to read product data. This is the language AI agents speak. And if your listing isn't speaking that language, you're invisible. Step 1. Core feed data and how to reinforce it. Merchants like Etsy and Shopify automatically share product feeds with ChatGPT. But here's the catch. The feed is only as good as the data you've put into your listing. If your title is vague or your dimensions are missing, Etsy has nothing clear to pass along. That's where you can gain an edge by creating a guided summary data block, a metadata section for AI agents that is specifically designed for ACP format. To get the exact key value pair formatting, let's break down the most important fields straight from the ACP spec. Discovery signals help agents find you. Title. This is the headline. AI agents use it as the first match to buyer intent. Keep it short, clear, and keyword-rich. Category. Agents need to know where your product belongs. Use a category and subcategory format, like home decor, ornaments. Link. Etsy sends its own product link to ChatGPT, but adding your shop link in this summary data block helps other agents crawling the block too. Conversion signals help agents rank you. Sale price. In the ACP spec, it's formatted as number plus currency, like 9.99 space USD. If your price isn't clear, you won't surface when buyers ask for specifics like under $10. Dimensions. Strict length by width by height space unit format, like 1.5 by 1.5 by 0.5 space inches. Without it, agents can't match you to size-based queries. Shipping. Free delivery, instant download, or structured tag. This makes you visible for buyers who care about delivery speed or location. Trust signals help agents believe in you. Color, a must-have for apparels and to signify variations. Material, agent might be looking for particular material like ceramic, cotton, or wood. Usage, a short note about how the product is used or who it's for. Best option is to describe ideal buyers and gifts for personas. Shop link, not just a product link, but your shop homepage. It reinforces authority and helps agents associate multiple listings with one trusted seller. Etsy already sends some of this data to ChatGPT, but when you add this summary data block directly into your product description, you're giving AI agents more clarity. Step 2. Use rich media and attributes. AI agents don't just read words, they weigh signals. That means clear product photos, complete attributes, and reviews that mention specifics like size, color, or quality. Etsy's own AI update even calls reviews a key part of new smart ranking. Check out our video about Etsy's AI update. Step 3. Be consistent everywhere. EAT principle. Google's AI agent guide suggests EAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. So don't stop at Etsy. Add your structured summary data block on your blog, Pinterest posts, and Shopify store. Why? Because AI agents crawl the entire web. The more consistent and transparent your data is across platforms, the more authority and trust you build. That's how you win ranking now. Bonus tip. Add metadata to your images or social media posts too. Right-click on an image, properties, details, and fill in tags or comments with your product fields. Today it looks hidden, but tomorrow, when AI systems start analyzing image data for recommendations, this will give you an edge. Step 4. Test and iterate. Don't overhaul your whole shop overnight. Start with 3 to 5 listings. Add the metadata, watch impressions and clicks, and expand if you see traction. And here's a bonus tip. Now that AI agents are reshaping discovery, A/B testing becomes more important.